Cell wall synthesis inhibitors. Overview and key classes. Cell wall synthesis inhibitors are antibiotics that target the peptidoglycan layer of bacterial cell walls, leading to osmotic lysis. These drugs are selectively toxic to bacteria due to the absence of peptidoglycan in human cells. Below is a structured breakdown of the major classes. 1. Beta-lactam antibiotics mechanism. Inhibit penicillin-binding proteins, PBPs, enzymes critical for cross-linking peptidoglycan chains. Subclasses: penicillins, for example, amoxicillin, ampicillin. Spectrum: gram-positive, for example, Streptococcus, MSSA, some gram-negative. Resistance: beta-lactamase production, for example, in Staphylococcus aureus. Combinations: amoxicillin plus clavulanic acid overcomes beta-lactamase. Cephalosporins vary by generation. First gen, cefazolin, gram-positive, MSSA, Streptococci. 3rd/4th gen, ceftriaxone, cefepime, broad gram-negative coverage, for example, Enterobacteriaceae. 5th gen, ceftaroline, MRSA coverage. Carbapenems, imipenem, meropenem. Spectrum: broadest activity, gram-positive, gram-negative, anaerobes. Use: reserved for multi-drug-resistant infections. Monobactams, Aztreonam, targets only gram-negative aerobes, for example, Pseudomonas. Minimal cross-reactivity in penicillin-allergic patients. Adverse effects: hypersensitivity, rash to anaphylaxis. Cross-reactivity among beta-lactams, except Aztreonam. 2. Glycopeptides. Vancomycin mechanism: binds diala termini of peptidoglycan precursors, blocking transpeptidation. Spectrum: gram-positive, MRSA, Enterococci, C. difficile. Resistance: alteration to diala-DLAC, for example, VRE. Adverse effects: Redman syndrome, histamine release, nephrotoxicity. 3. Other inhibitors. Acetracin mechanism: blocks dephosphorylation of lipid carrier, undecaprynyl phosphate. Use: topical for skin/eye infections, toxic if systemic. Cycloserine mechanism: inhibits alanine racemase and dealanine ligase, early peptidoglycan steps. Use: second line for tuberculosis. Toxicity: CNS effects, seizures, psychosis. Phosphomycin mechanism: inhibits MURA, first step in peptidoglycan synthesis. Use: single-dose oral therapy for uncomplicated UTIs. Resistance mechanisms. Beta-lactams, beta-lactamase enzymes, for example, ESBLs, carbapenemases. Altered PBPs, for example, PBP2A in MRSA. Vancomycin, VANA/Vambugenes in VRE, alter target site. Clinical considerations. Spectrum: tailor choice to suspected pathogen, for example, vancomycin for MRSA. Combination therapy: beta-lactams plus beta-lactamase inhibitors, for example, piperacillin tazobactam. Monitoring: vancomycin trough levels to avoid nephrotoxicity. Cell wall synthesis inhibitors remain cornerstone therapies for bacterial infections, but resistance necessitates judicious use and ongoing development of new agents.